Isibe Numuti Manugunda Garalaha Chuluru Lua Frienduru Garifuna. Ukuyen. Today's Garifuna lesson. We're talking about places or place. Place or places in Garifuna is Fulasu. Fulasu. So let's learn a few places in Garifuna. First up, Belize. Belize in Garifuna is Balisi. Balisi. And if you're a Belizean, then you are Balisina. Balisina. Next we have Honduras. Honduras in Garifuna is Indura. Indura. And if you're from Honduras, you're Indurana. Central America. Central America in Garifuna is Lamidan Meriga. Lamidan Meriga. We have Livingston. Livingston in Garifuna is Labuga. Labuga. And if you're from Labuga, you're LABUGANA. LABUGANA. Guatemala. Guatemala in Garifuna is Wadimalu. Wadimalu. And if you're from Guatemala, you are a Wadimaluna. Wadimaluna. And finally, St. Vincent. St. Vincent in Garifuna is Yurumein. Yurumein. And if you're from St. Vincent, you're YURUMEINA. YURUMEINA. Thank you for investing your time in learning this beautiful language of ours. And until the next episode, Sereme. Ayo.